Okay folks, so what I'm doing here is making a eucalyptus wood cutting board. It's the second one I've made, so that's a Eucalyptus perenniana that I grew from seed, so spinning gum, and I slabbed them with my chainsaw. And I first took 60 grit over it, and then I got, I think it's 220 on here right now. Make it really smooth. It's good to treat it with linseed oil. I actually put olive oil on the other one, so that's what it looks like. It's kind of rougher on that side. I just ran the sandpaper over it quickly, but really heavy, hard wood, and they make really nice cutting boards for, you know, yourself or gifts. So if you got eucalyptus trees and you got to cut them down, don't let them go to waste. The rest of it's in firewood form, and I can probably get 2 more pieces out of that right there. So that's what a eucalyptus wood cutting board looks like. Really heavy duty, and works well because I've used the other one already. All right, thanks for watching. I'll finish sanding, and then I'll maybe do a video, show you what it looks like when they're done. But I put the olive oil on it. All right, cheers.